Have you ever considered switching property management companies? If so, this is the video for you. These are 5 reasons you no longer trust your management company and it might be time to switch. My name's Peter McKenzie. I'm with Rincon Property Management, and we are contacted by a lot of people who are coming from other management companies, and the themes that we hear are the same. They can't get a hold of the management company. They think that there's some apathy. They don't understand the bills. They're constantly surprised with maintenance charges. If any of these things are happening to you, listen to the rest of this video. I think we have some good tips for you. So let's jump right in. The number one sign that it is probably time to switch companies is when you, as the owner of the property, reach out to the management company. If you don't expect that they're gonna get back to you on your first contact, huge red flag, time to switch. But we hear from people that it takes multiple times contacting their manager before they will ever get back to them. That is unacceptable. You deserve to be kept in the loop and to be communicated with well. So if you reach out to your company and they're not gonna get back to you, pull the plug, it's time to switch. The number 2 sign that it's probably time is you are used to being surprised on your owner's statement or getting unexpected bills. If you are constantly being surprised by your management company with maintenance charges, fees that you never heard of, things that you're not being kept in the loop on, it's time to switch. You should not be getting surprised on a routine basis. If there's a maintenance charge, you should be brought up to speed. The charge should match, the charge and what you're being told should match the invoice and what the issue is that the vendor repaired. Those things need to add up together. You shouldn't be getting surprised all the time. That's a sign that the company is a poor communicator. They don't have a good handle on their vendors, and they're not paying attention to the details. So that would be the number 2 thing that you should watch out for if you're experiencing anything like that. The number 3 sign is you're more confused after you finally get a hold of your property manager. So if they're unresponsive, you're being surprised on the bills, but by the time you finally chase them down, you have the conversation you want to have, and you walk away from that conversation more confused or trusting them even less because they didn't address your questions, they didn't make you feel comfortable with what's going on, that's a sign it's time to switch. The 4th sign is you're just not sure with what's going on with your property anymore. If you just don't know and you're tired of chasing the management company down and you've kind of given up and you just have no idea what's going on, it's time to switch. You deserve to know what's going on in the property. In our company, we like our clients to have a hands-off approach. That's for like the day-to-day operations of managing the property. We absolutely keep our clients 100% in the loop. We give them high-level overviews of what's going on the property so that they're comfortable and that they trust that we're representing their interest well, and we're not just out there being apathetic, charging things for the sake of charging them and not paying attention to the little details. So if you don't know what's going on, or you've given up and you're tired of trying to figure out what's going on, you owe it to yourself to switch companies and put a better company in place. So the last one's kind of silly. If you're already looking at other options, if you're looking around at what other management companies there are, or you're considering managing it on your own, just pull the Band-Aid off. It's time to switch. I'm here to share one thing with you. It never gets better. Companies generally don't turn it around. It's hard for a company to just change the way they operate, especially in property management, because there's hundreds of owners, hundreds of tenants, hundreds of vendors. To change the way they operate is really, really difficult. So if you're already looking around, do yourself a favor and make it happen right away. Every one of these 5 things is enough in its own to switch companies. If you have experienced multiple things in this list of 5, it's time to switch. The company should be doing everything they can to build trust with their clients, to make you comfortable that you know that they're doing a good job managing one of your most important assets. If that's not happening, it's time to switch. If you're looking for other options, don't feel bad about that. The process is actually relatively easy. You would provide written notice to your current company, look at your management contract, see what's required. Usually it's 30 days notice if you're outside of the initial term. So you would do that with your current company, vet and contact your new company, and we have plenty of videos on the best way to vet a property management company, because that can be a little tricky too. And then hire the new company. Let the new company chase down all the stuff you need from the old company, whether it's leases, tenant contact info, move-in condition, photos. That's not worth your time to be chasing down. Let the new company do that for you. So it literally could be as easy as give a written notice to the old company, hire the new company, and step out of the way and let the professional company do its job in getting your property back up to speed. I hope that makes sense. I hope that's helpful. If you like this content, subscribe to our YouTube page. We have a contact us page on our website. You can call us, whatever you need to do. We're happy to be a resource for you and to provide assistance as needed. Thanks for your time, and I hope you have a good day.